2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, zu mir, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 7, 8. Then we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. MMA. 1, 2, left, left, left. For the guys, pam, pam, right, 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 right. And we make left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, flow. Pam, tap, down, 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 down. Stop, in, up, in, up, in, up, in, out. Flow, go, stop. Good. So how do we do this? So I explain you, the back is divided in 9 spots. If you make 2 lines like this, and 2 lines like this, like in tic-tac-toe, you have, let's go a little bit more here, you have 9 spots where you can isolate the girl. 1, 2, 3, the upper line, the middle line, 1, 2, 3, and the lower line, 1, 2, 3. The lower line is over the hip line, okay? So whenever the guy places the hand somewhere, for the girl should mean something. And when I push or pull, it doesn't mean, if I push and pull here up, then for the girl it doesn't mean she has to move the hips, it means she has to move up. Okay? So stay like that. If I'm like here dancing with Eva like this, and all of a sudden I stop and I move my hands here, then she will know the focus will be on the shoulders. So I can make up, 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 up. I can bring, or I can push, push. Or I can do even both. I can tell her one and the other, like a swimming motion. Swinging backwards, swinging forward. Okay, good. So in the middle, what happens? In the middle, we can push with the fingertips or pull with the hand. And this is important. You don't push like you're massaging. You're pushing like you just want the girl to move, but don't push too much. So when we're pushing, we give her the left hip. So I myself am turning the hip and I'm making push, 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 neutral, push, neutral. So when you come back, don't come back on this other side. For the other side, you need to pull, 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 pull. Or you can do both. You can do push, pull, push, pull, push. So the guy has to give the hips. Important, we don't move the upper body. Why? Because with the left hand, while we're doing this, we are holding the girl. The left is just holding. And then we do tap, 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 tap. Here, 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 there, there, there. Okay, so you can push, pull, both how you want. When you go down, then you should be in an open position like this one. So if I'm doing like this, what I do now by falling, I will pull. So her hip will go up. And as I push now to change the body weight, I pull with this hand. Boom, boom. Boom. So what do we do is basically this. 1, 2, push. Again. And 1, 2, pull, pull. While I'm pulling with the left, I'm pulling with the right, I'm pushing with the left, and now I pull with the left, I push with the right. And this is very gentle. It's just this. You don't have to do it with the fist. You can do it even like that. Okay? Stop. And then you can change the rhythm. You can make 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. If I block, if I say block, and I go with the hand in the middle, here, so for the girl, I'm not here anymore, now I'm like this, I can bring her hip inside or bring it out. In, out, in, out. So for the girls, it will be like this. She's in, and I bring it out. In, out. Roll down, roll up, roll down, roll up, roll down, roll up, roll down, roll. Stop. Whenever you switch between isolations, it's important to make a stop. Don't make it chaotic. I call this noise. In leading and following, noise. Don't make noise. Be correct, be precise, and be slow at the beginning. Don't stress the girl. Up, down, down, up, forward, back, back, whatever. The girls are not that fast, and it's not relaxing for her. It's too stressful. Make it nice. And use it, mix it not just with the hand positions leading, but also with the body leading. And then you stop with the hands, and then you do again body leading. So it's very nice to make contact.